Here we are at Beavers Bend, Oklahoma, and it got down in the 20s last night. But we stayed nice and warm in the motorhome. We got our granddaughter, Kinley, with us. She's going to be 4 years old this month. Is it this month or next month? Next month. Well, we're running real low on propane, and I'm worried that we're going to run out of propane in our onboard tank, so I bought one of these kits to hook up a small grill bottle to our motorhome if we run out. So I'm going to go out and install it. Looks pretty simple, straightforward. Are you showing out? So we'll go out there and install this and see how it works. The regulator is behind this little plastic cover. So let me take it down. See what it looks like behind there. It's got a little hinge door over the regulator. Okay, let me turn this off. And undo it here. Oh, excuse me. Oh, there. You gotta turn it to the right to loosen it. Oh, excuse me. Okay, now hopefully this thing will just fit in line here. Okay, that seems to fit okay there. May have to turn that hose at 90 degrees to give me enough slack to hook this up, because it seems like it's too short. Okay, I've got this tight. And I've got ports facing to where I can get to either one of them. That'd be for a external gas grill or lantern or something. This is the one I'm going to need for to hook up propane bottle to. So let me get this started. See, it doesn't pivot, so I'm gonna have to turn the whole hose. Uh-oh, hit the camera. I guess it does pivot a little bit. Let me tighten that down. We'll go back for check for leaks with the open flame. No, I'm just kidding. I've got a mother-in-law. I went to her house one day and she said she smelled gas. She had a lighter out. She said, I'm looking for the leak. I took that lighter away from her and I said, that's not the way you look for leaks. We need to get some soapy water and spray it on there and see if we see any bubbles. But luckily she didn't blow anything up. Okay, now I've got to figure out how to get enough room in this regulator. Oh, it's going to be close. If I could just turn that just a little bit. Okay, I had to take this bracket loose here so I get enough stretch on this line to get this started. I don't think most of them are this difficult. It's just that this line here is just too tight, and I couldn't turn it here. But I think once I get this screwed all the way in, it'll have enough slack where it'll be okay. And I'll just drill a new hole for the 8L clamp to hook into on this Winnebago, because it's all opened up down here. Just leave the tank on the ground. Would have thought this furnace would shut off by now. It's not hot. Let's give it a little gas and see what happens. Okay, I've got this off. Turn this on. We'll see if that ignites. May have too much air in the line. Then I can close that back up. Just got to make sure I don't forget and try to drive off with that thing down there. Have to put that on my checklist. Alright, it's cold. I think I'm going to get back in and mix up some soap and water and check this for leaks. Appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe if it's helped you out at all. If anything, it might have taught you what not to do. And I think it'll be okay. We'll talk to you later. Bye.